what is up, guys? Alright, so today we are back with another flight. I feel like there's some things that I still need to practice on. So the DPE, he did give me some hint on what he might test me on for the flight portion. Let's say I go practice that. Hopefully it goes well. I feel like I got everything down so far. I think it's just the steep turn that I have trouble with. I can't say that I'm going to do it perfectly, but I think I'll be able to do it within the standards. That's the important part, right? And I think I forgot to clear up the storage on the GoPro. So I don't know how much footage we can get because it might just stop working in the middle of the flight. Let's go, guys. Record.
37 off Q. 37 on Mitch ground, 35.
Get ATIS. Right.
Meet temporal information, Kilo 153 Zulu, wind 170 at 10, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 28, 2.1, altimeter 2980. ILS runway 30 approaching. Taxiway Charlie has been relocated. Advise us contact Gavis Kilo.
Kilo. Alright. Little run. Okay, let's start run up here. Damn, 1000. Brake set, taxiway off. Trip time step takeoff. Electro free and correct. Right, A-line is free and correct. Elevator is free and correct. Motor is free and correct. Sure, best power. Primer, you get locked. Throttle, swing under RPM. Check mag, check left. There's my drop, back to both. To the right, back to both. And carby's on, and there's my drop. And engine stuck shift in the green. Check alternator. There's my discharge. There's my low voltage light. Back on. Low pressure in the green. Green. Check idle. Awesome.
Nice.
Alright, run up complete. Calling for taxi. Long Beach clearance, that's 5513 Lima. Long Beach Flying Club VFR 26, left crosswind departure with Kilo.
5513 Long Beach clearance, kind of ground.
Kind of ground, 13 Lima. Alright, come one. Giving them a call. Century Mini's on. Long Beach ground, Cessna 5513 Lima, Long Beach Flying Club, request taxi 26 left.
Cessna 5513 Lima, Long Beach ground, runway 26 left, taxi, Foxtrot.
26 left, taxi up Foxtrot, 13 Lima. Taxi, best lean. I'm gonna test my brake. Okay. Alright, brake's good, you control? My control. Alright, my brake's good, you control. My control, you control. Okay, so we're gonna go up. Probably climb 3000, do a steep turn, and then after that we'll do a Chandelle again at 3000. And okay. What else? I'll probably try a Lazy 8 LC. Right. And then we'll do a power on stall. Maybe I'll try slow flight, power on, power off. I'll do both, and then do trim stall. Right. And then after all that, we'll do an emergency procedure, and then descent. Ooh. And approach, and then we'll get down low, and then go do some ground reference maneuver, and then we'll come back and do a couple landings. Yes, we have time. Going to the whole short line, don't want to cross it. For emergency, in case emergency, we're just going to revert to our emergency checklist. Okay. Long Beach Tower Cessna 5513 Lima, holding short 26 left, brief left, crosswind departure.
Block VFR, your far base,
Thank you.
Long Beach Tower Cessna 5513 Lima, holding short 26 left, brief left, crosswind departure.
5513 Lima, Long Beach Tower, standby.
Okay. The engine failure dues come in. Rough engine, do with the rough engine. With the rough engine, okay, it's ready for emergency.
Let's see, practice area. Not that busy, I guess.
Yeah.
Gotcha, 644, turn left, kilo, contact ground.
Kilo going to ground, etc. 644.
November 12 Echo, runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff.
26 right, 12 Echo.
Last calling, standby, please.
2 hours later.
And last call with the request again.
They're taking over, I guess.
Last call and answer the request again.
Bro.
Number 3 Delta Golf, turn base, runway 26 left, clears the option.
26 left, clear for the option, turn to base, 3 Delta Golf.
Office 49, extend down.
Extend down with 49.
Number 5 Bravo Juliet, do you need any further assistance?
We'll do left box right there and taxi the run out 5 Bravo Juliet. Okay, call. Long Beach Tower, Cessna 5513 Lima, holding short 26 left, ready for left crosswind departure.
Air 513 Lima, Long Beach Tower, stand by 1 moment.
All the way. Shout out. 你要说右边对不对？然后他说左边。对 ，Yeah. Have feel it. Yeah. Do this, do that. 这下面就是玩哦，上面就给他玩一下啊。Yeah, I'm gonna show you like. Don't get to spin. Just gonna want to take control. I want my control. Okay. I want to take it. I want to really take it from you. Okay.
Make it a left at kilo and then contact ground.
For kilo over ground with 49. Crosswind. Damn. Boom. Oh, we bounced.
Number 13 Lima, left cross and departure, approved, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
26 left, clear for takeoff, 13 Lima. Okay. 13 Lima. Clear, approach, takeoff path is clear, they get getting off. 1,000 feet, 75. 6 for 75. Power compass full. Plane lasers. Continue climb out at 3,000.
Number 13 Lima, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 13 Lima. 我看我们去 Point Firm 那里哈。对。Alright, give them a quick call. Let me track this area. Cessna 5513 Lima is about 2 miles northwest of Queen's Gate at 2,200, climbing 3,000. I'll be heading westbound over to Point Firm for maneuvers. Practice area. 3,000 coming up. And pitch forward. Reduce power. 3,000 will keep the lane light on, and we'll lane the mixture actually. Alright, so we're just gonna do a steep turn first. Let's do our clearing turn, so let's just do 90 degrees to the side, 90 degrees to the left, and then we select safe altitude, 3,000 feet, so we're not supposed to stand below 1,500. Yeah, here, let's make good call. Let me track this area since 5513 Lima is over Point Firm at 3,000, doing steep turns practice area. Let's quickly do them, and then we'll get the out. Right. Okay, so we'll roll into the left, 270, and to our clearing turn, so let's roll. So smoothly roll in. By power. Yep, dropping altitude. In this case, I gotta pitch up. Maintain my altitude. I gotta pitch up more. And there's 270 and roll out. Pitch forward, don't let it climb. Take out the power and take out the trim. Okay. Kind of. And then we'll do one to the right. Right rudder.
Over top golf course, 4,000.
Right turn, man. I'll try that again. This time I'm gonna get it, okay? Smoothly roll in. Push up, push up, push up. Push up more. Then. Let's try again. 最右边有一个低我们1500档位，应该没关系的，上面只有上面。Okay, 120. Alright, so we're going to add a little bit of power. So we're going to roll it to a 50 degree. Smoothly roll in. Roll out. Okay, make sure I'm just holding it right there. Reduce the bank. So just maintaining that horizon all the way. And then roll out. Take out the power. Retrim the airplane. Okay, got a little bit fast, but okay, still within limit.
Nice.
Yeah, keep doing trim. You don't have to still hold it.
Beautiful day. Hopefully I get to do more videos, as later on I might not be able to do a lot of flights. And I don't know, we'll see. I'll see you guys, okay? Bye.